In this video, we're going to be talking about how to make money with Divi. So here are the areas that we'll be covering. We're going to be talking about affiliate marketing. I'll be talking about how I managed to make money with Divi by doing affiliate marketing. We're also going to be talking about creating and selling child themes, agencies, freelancing, and finally, how to create courses around Divi and make money through that. All right, so for those of you that are not lifetime members on Divi University, I still have my 70% off discount. This will give you access to all the courses, child themes, and even live workshops where you can do Q&As and ask me pretty much anything. The idea with Divi University is to give you enough information and resources to make use of your Divi subscription. All right, so let's start off now with affiliate marketing. So I've been an affiliate for Elegant Themes for many years. I'll say probably 6-7 years. But in those years, I've managed to make a total of 117,000. So this month alone, I have about 807. This is just through affiliate marketing. Now, let me share with you how I was able to do this. So the first secret number one is when you sell Divi or any product for that matter as an affiliate, bear in mind that you have so many competitors. So everyone else is probably saying, buy Divi using my affiliate link and thank you, okay? Now, what you want to do is to give a bonus for anyone that uses your affiliate link, because this also helps the person that have just bought the product. So in my case, if you purchase Divi, I give away my Divi Jumpstart course. This is a course that teaches you how to design professional looking websites, Divi, saving you so many hours in trying to work out how Divi works online. So this has worked really well. I know I could have been pushing it even more because some of my competitors make even more money because they use YouTube ads and Facebook ads and so on. But this is pretty much all organic. So that's my secret number one. Secret number two is having a landing page. Now, a lot of affiliate marketers are going to say, buy my product using this link, and it takes them straight to the website of the company that's selling the product. In this case, maybe the Divi landing page. Well, this is not a great idea because if you do that, then you lose the opportunity to capture the person's email and first name. Now, this is very important because not everyone that goes onto the sales page actually buys the product. Some people need to be reminded a few times, or they may get distracted while they're on the checkout page and so on. So having a landing page where they give you the details, which you then confirm when they get the bonus, is a fantastic move. So that is what I do in all my products that I promote as affiliates. And as I mentioned here, we also have follow-up emails. So once the person has purchased, then you can follow up with other emails as reminders, or even offer other products that relate to this actual product, which in this case is Divi. All right, so let's move on to the next thing, and this is secret number 3. Now, for this to work, you need to produce content. In my case, I use YouTube. So when you have a product where you need to showcase how that product works, it's much easier for you to create videos and show people how it actually works. Now, the majority of the tutorials that you need to focus on are tutorials where you're showcasing features and the capabilities of that product. Again, in this case, it's Divi. So the idea here is to create an audience on YouTube around the product that you are promoting. So my YouTube channel is primarily Divi, but of course I am trying to move away from that and have other page builders that I talk about and other products so that I can also increase my affiliate reach using the same YouTube channel. But of course, if you want to niche on one particular thing, you can actually do that as well. So let's move on to the next part, and this is selling child themes. Now, this is something that I was trying out, here and there to see if it works, but to my surprise, this actually works. Now, what you're looking at right now is Divi Crafted. That's one of my child themes. Now, I was, to be honest, I wasn't even expecting to make this kind of money with this child theme. But to my surprise, these child themes are actually a good source of making money Divi, because these are all Divi based. So these are done for you websites, which people just download, install the plugin, change the images, and pretty much they have a fantastic new website, which is functional and working. Now, my secret here is for me to create these child themes, I use a service called SitePresser. It is very, very good. After you've designed your website, you install the plugins, and then the plugins actually package the website, which makes it easier for someone who has a blank website to just install the plugin, and it pretty much installs on the website. And by just a few clicks, you have a fully functioning website. So it is a very, very good product. Now, as I mentioned, the end result in this is going to be a zipped file, which is easy to install, and it can be installed via the theme. Now, let's talk about the types of websites that you can create that will make you money. So we have booking websites. In fact, just recently, a company called WP Manage Ninja, the makers of Fluent CRM, released a booking plugin called Fluent Bookings. It is fantastic. I've tried it a few times, and I've actually done a review. Check it out on my website. So booking websites are very easy to make because they're only a few pages, a confirmation page and the landing page. We also have e-commerce websites. So if you can build e-commerce websites, again, that'll be a very, very, very good thing, because small business owners can just come in, buy the e-commerce website, and in a few minutes, they'll have a ready, up and running e-commerce website. Next is portfolios. This is great for anyone who wants to go into freelancing. If they purchase from you, they just use that portfolio website onto their brand new website. And just like that, they have a website which they can just change the images, the wording, and pretty much they are good to go super fast. Blogs are another area. This is also really, really, really good. If you can create blogs in different areas, this again is a very good way of making money with these child themes. Again, we have business websites. We also have sales funnels. Now imagine all those consultants, they're probably going to need some sort of a website to make it easier for them to have automated emails and even bookings. So these are the type of websites you want to create as child themes to sell. Now, all this stuff that I've been talking about, you can sell them on your own website. But the good thing is Divi also has a marketplace where you can showcase your stuff. And I mean, I've looked at some of these child themes. I mean, the people here are selling thousands at maybe $19, $20, $40. So as you can see, there's an opportunity of making money with these child themes. Now, everything that we're talking about right now can be achieved by just having one license. So the yearly access here is $89. So $89, you get unlimited updates. It's a really, really good deal. In fact, there's no other page builder out there that has a deal like this. And we also have $249 for the lifetime access. This is ridiculously amazing. And I want to share with you a tip here. I would actually say if you haven't purchased the lifetime license for $249, go ahead and do so, because Divi is likely going to change this into a subscription. There will not be a lifetime access. The reason why I'm saying this is because I don't see how as a business they can sustain that, because at the end of the day, if they have a lot of lifetime access members, they have to support millions of people, and without any extra income coming in, it doesn't make any business sense. So I have a funny feeling that Divi6 is going to change their pricing model to subscription. So if you're locking yourself right now into the $249, this will be a great idea. And this $249, guys, you can make it back easily by creating one child theme, sell it on the marketplace, or even do it as an affiliate or build a website. Okay, so we're talking about freelancing and agencies. So with this $249 lifetime access, you can design unlimited websites, which is fantastic because you can go into so many areas and not worry about licensing. Just that one Divi license allows you to build as many websites as possible. Now let's talk about the areas or the types of websites that you want to zone in and focus in to make yourself an expert on. So one is small business websites. These are really good websites. If you can approach companies in your area and offer to make them a website which has a way of capturing leads and so on, this will be a very, very good thing to do. Next, we have membership websites. Now, there are a lot of people, clubs, and even small communities that may need to have a membership website. So if this is something that you can create, this is something that can make you a lot of money. Let's talk about booking websites. I know I've touched a little bit on this. There are so many areas in business where they would want a booking website. So we're talking about hotels, yoga, fitness, consulting. Pretty much a lot of these areas will require bookings. Next, let's talk about blogs. Now, there are individuals that may need blogs. Again, if you were to create blogs, Divi does actually a fantastic job with Theme Builder to create these blogs for you. E-commerce websites, there are a lot of companies out there that want to create e-commerce websites. If you are the one who's creating for them and maintaining those websites, this is a fantastic idea. We also have funnels, course websites, and also websites that just primarily does lead generation. So take a look at these and learn your skills around these areas, and pretty much you are going to be good to go. So I know you may be asking me, so where do I sell my services and how will people know that I'm good at designing? Well, there's a few tips that I want to share with you. First of all, YouTube. You can actually document your websites. You can talk about your clients, of course, with their permission. Talk about your clients' websites, how you're building them, the briefs, and so on. This is indirectly marketing and telling people that you are good at what you do. Secondly, on the ground, you can actually go to business events. You can go to the Chamber of Commerce. And in the UK, we have something called the Institute of Directors. This is a fantastic place to go if you want to meet other business owners. So again, that's another area that you could go and market your services and talk about your services. And of course, chances are you will get businesses around that. Now, let's talk about courses. When it comes to courses, this is another area which is really, really good. Now, the videos that you've been watching lately on my YouTube channel are pretty much from my iPhone. So you don't even need a fancy camera. You just need a phone, provided that it's fairly new, and also some software that captures your screen. With that, pretty much you are good to go. So online courses are on the rise. So you can start teaching people how to do basic things in web design, and that could be a source of income for you. So as you can see, just one Divi license gives you all these opportunities to make money, and I think this is fantastic. Now, of course, chances are you're going to be repeating things over and over again when it comes to just one software. But here we have an opportunity to create courses because there's going to be Divi 5 and Divi 6 around the corner. In fact, in Divi 6, they're going to redo the interface, and there's going to be a lot of updates to the UI and how Divi actually works. So being the person that's doing the courses and showing people how things are done, this can give you an opportunity to make a lot of money with Divi. But let's talk about what funnelstoincome.com is about. So here is the site where I want to just purely talk about how to make money online and how to create an online business. So this is where I'll be talking about list building, sales funnels, content creation, YouTube ads, and basically how to make money online. Divi University is pretty much the one place or the one-stop shop for everything Divi. This is where we're going to have Divi 5 and Divi 6 courses. We're going to have templates and child themes. We're also going to have tips and courses on advanced website development. So what you're going to get from diviuniversity.com, it takes you from beginner level to advanced level. So everything that I'm going to be learning throughout my journey, I'm going to be sharing it on diviuniversity.com. All right, guys, these are my tips on how you can make money with Divi. Thank you very much for watching. If you have any other tips, link them in the video description below. Until next time, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.